value-based choices as an authentic leader. So we have to be really sure, first of all, about what our values are and understand that they're often shaped by our experiences. So they can change sometimes. Maybe our core values sort of stay the same, but sometimes the way they get expressed can be changed. And sometimes we can be influenced by other people. And I think that's really powerful when you have that open communication and you start with this truth to yourself, but you allow other people to share their own truth and their thoughts and their ways of being in the world. Amazing things can happen. And then we can align our actions with our values. All right. So I think that's a pretty interesting way to go.